first point from the red team. Yarnia from Russia leads 4-0.
Stop. My opinion, don't was totally out.
And now first point for Sandron from Italy on the red B against they are from Turkey.
My opinion, don't was totally out.
And it will be first point for Christian Frist. 1 love on the red A. Шанс за Кристина Фриста в партнеру. Иде около поддръжки за njega. Points in the red B. Sandron leads 1-0 again. Now, White Chano from Moldova. And Christian Frist was a big offense. Christian Frist, yes, he made it. Nice move by Frist for 4 points, 5-0 against Jordan from India. Majstra Latvije Kristina Frista Stoljeća. Christian Frist won the fight in the red A and goes to the semi-final 60 kilos category. And Sasha Beckel leads 1-0 against Chopano on the red C. And Marjanian won the fight in the red D against Peter from Israel. Stepan Maranyan, Russia, goes to the semi-final 60 kilos category. Shambhakar from Kyrgyzstan got the new point now against Chopano 3-0. Shambhakar now in the big offensive new points. 5-0 from Kyrgyzstan wrestler. And now we are against Sandron, start of the second round. And on the first round is a bad C. Shambhakar leads 5-0 against Chopano from Moldova. And President we are from Turkey in the second round. The result 1-1 against Sandron from Italy. the second round, Chobano against Shashambeko, Moldova against Kyrgyzstan. And it will be going for the Chobano and challenge from Moldova. And now we have scored the points. And now leads 5-1 against Anthony, the big offense, Turkish wrestler. On the pet B, oh, dangerous position for Sandron Ujas on the big offense. Still dangerous position, Sandron in Italy. And Ujar. And new points for Ujar now leads 7-1. And Ujar. And very much. And we have the semi-finalists of the Pet B, and the winner of this match, winner, Ahmet Ujar from Turkey, and he goes to the semi-finals 60 kilos category.
1 point.
And Shashambeko leads his love on the match C. And you 2 points for Shashambeko. It is the end of the match. And we have the winner of the match C, and the semi-finalist of 60 kilos category, and the winner, Sholan Shashambeko, Kyrgyzstan.